All right, today we're going to go over manual reflexes and how to perform them. So when we're in the main test screen, use the up down, highlight the word test, press enter. Okay, manual modality. We're going to do the left side. So make sure you have it on the left side, and we're going to do IPSY. Then I want you to go to F6, handle test, then F5 for parameters. And you can set your peak and all your parameters. So today we're going to test, let's say we're going to test, you want to test 100 dB, or let's say 85 at the 500. You scroll to change the, using the left and right arrow button. So we're going to highlight the one we want to do. We want to do the 500, and then we're going to go over to F6. We're going to press start, test. And make sure that we're on the left side. So choose your side. It's IPSY. And you can look and it says IPSY, and press your start stop button here. It'll pressurize. So now you went from your steps 85 all the way up to 100. If you want to do it again, just to do validity, you hit start stop again. Okay. If you want to change those, go to the next frequency, go to the handling test, F6, then go back to F5. Scroll down to your start level, and you can change that, and then whatever frequency you want to run, and then hit test again under F6, hit start stop. Hit the left side. I'm sorry, I did the wrong one. My tests are not complete because my probe's coming out. Now I'm gonna put the probe back in. And you'll see it stopped at 105 because that's the level where we have it stopped at. And if you want to switch to another, just hit handle test, F6, F5, scroll down again, and do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever you want to do. Then go to test. Make sure you switch to the left side. Make sure it says IPSY, and press your start stop button. And then you'll see your 3,000 where your reflexes were. You want to do it again to test the validity, just hit start stop again. you want to change the parameters, go back to the next frequency, go to F6, handling test, F5, scroll down, change it to whatever you want to do. All right, simple.